Make sure to stay until the end. You may need to perform a special procedure in order for that function to work correctly again. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those guys and you need to see how to test steering angle sensor, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that. Also, we'll talk guys how you can actually even calibrate steering angle sensor. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you hundreds of dollars. So let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts too at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. It will work on both V6, V8. Specifically we have a V6, but the engine size doesn't matter, okay? Size doesn't matter. Actually it does matter, but not for that video. And this specifically guys, it's a 2018 model, but it should work on all Dodge Challengers. So let me show you what you need to do to actually test steering angle sensor and find out if yours is working or not. Car was in a little bit of an accident, nothing too bad. I mean, runs and drives like a champ, very strong, but we'll be rebuilding it soon. We have the OBD port connected to the diagnostic port underneath the dash, you can see right there. And all we have to do now, press the ignition switch twice without pressing the brake pedal, and it should go to the run position right here. Lights will come on. Now this is the computer that we'll be using guys. Many of you always request that information, want to share more about that computer, where we got it from, what it does. It's amazing too guys. This is probably the best scanner in that price range in my opinion. We will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. You can check current price, features, and you can guys see more about it. But what it does, it works on almost any car you can think of, okay? It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. You can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes from every system, and see live data. And like that BMW right there guys, it has more than 50-60 computers. That Dodge itself probably has between 25 and 30, and we will show you now. In order to test the steering angle sensor, you will need a computer guys to be able to access it. And we'll show you how easy it is. We'll go to the auto VIN detection, Chrysler USA. You know Chrysler owns one chain Fiat as well in Europe, like Chrysler 300 Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger, and one Chet Tema. I think they're practically built on the same platform. So, okay, it's loading now. Make sure you have good voltage. Sometimes what you may need to do guys, you actually, okay, you may need to connect a battery charger. Why? Because often guys, your battery voltage can drop, and if you don't have enough voltage, sometimes it should be above 12.5, especially if you're doing programming, and it can cause problems with the diagnostics and give you fault codes as well. So, okay, we're here now working on it. You can see it's loading everything now. And we click diagnostics, control unit. Let me show you how many different computers are in this car. 4 in powertrain, body has 12 different ones. That's 16, 4 more 20, and here 24. So we'll go to chassis. Here we'll select anti-lock brakes, because it's part of the traction control and the ABS, because the traction control needs to know exactly how much the steering wheel is turned. It will correspond to the other sensors and see in which direction the car is moving, so it will know if it needs to do adjustments. Here we're going to sensor calibration. Okay, we're going to go to scroll down, down, steering angle sensor status. Okay, this right here now, steering angle sensor guys. This now, you can see it will show you up to 720 degrees to the right, 720 to the left. When the steering wheel is centered, it should show you 0. If it doesn't show zero but different value, you may need to calibrate it. We'll have a complete video how to calibrate steering angle sensor. Sometimes you may get a line because the steering angle sensor is just not calibrated. But if you turn your steering wheel and that sensor, okay, check this thing out, is actually moving, okay, and watch now, it's negative 125. Okay, so if I go like that, that should be 180 degrees, 180 right there, because I'm upside down, right? And if I go one more, I do a whole revolution, that should be negative 360. So that sensor is working. And if I go the other way now, that's 180 the other way. And now I go one more revolution, that should be 360 positive. So that sensor is working. If it's not showing you any values, guys, or it's not consistently moving, but it's moved and it stops, then it takes time to respond, it's a bad sensor. If just when it's centered, okay, when you have it centered, if that steering wheel is centered but the sensor is not at 0, you will need to reset the steering angle sensor, calibrate steering angle sensor. Complete video will be on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.